excited po ako sa event na to, tapos kinakabahan na rin po at the same time, pero nag-enjoy naman dahil maganda environment.
Marami na rin po kaming nakuhang knowledge. Mentor na po namin, tinuturuan po kami.
Maganda po siyang experience. Masalo na po if balak po ng student after gumraduate na pumasok na industry.
We are really inspired, Grad 21 is really inspired by the fact that a lot of good innovation, we believe, comes from Filipino people. And by virtue of being here, lahat kayo po ay high caliber talent already.
Matutulungan natin yung mga small contractor or business provider na makahanap ng trabaho. Para sa amin yung system po, malaking tulong po yun sa kanila.
Huwag kayong kabahan, all in kayo, all out, enjoy kayo. Go beyond. Kaya niyan.
There's so huge future when you focus on your passion. And being our tech company, we are trying to build more infrastructure to enable these young talents to be accessed. At the young talent, being proud and believing your vision and passion, I make sure you have a place in the future for digital industry. Thank you very much.